Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update OneDrive with Power Automate for AI document processing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Power Automate application. From the dashboard, select Create to start a new flow. Choose Automated Cloud Flow to trigger the process automatically. Give your flow a descriptive name for easy identification. Select the trigger you want to use, such as when a file is created in a folder. Specify the OneDrive folder where you want this trigger to activate. Next, click on New Step to add an action. In the Action search bar, type AI Builder to access the AI document processing capabilities. Select Extract information from documents to process the files. In the Configuration panel, choose the model you want to use for document processing. Connect the relevant data sources to the flow. Map the fields from your documents to ensure accuracy in data extraction. After setting up the AI Builder, click on New Step again. Search for OneDrive in the Action bar. Select the Update File option to modify documents in OneDrive. Specify the file you want to update, selecting from the previous steps. Determine the data fields you want to update with the extracted information. Review the mappings to ensure they are correctly aligned with the input from AI Builder. Once all steps are correctly configured, click on Save to save the flow. Test your flow by uploading a document to the specified OneDrive folder. Monitor the flow's run history to ensure it processes the document as expected. If any adjustments are needed, revisit the configuration settings and update them accordingly. Once satisfied, your setup for updating OneDrive using Power Automate for AI document processing is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.